Hi everyone, this is Tamilselvan, Assistant Professor, Department of B.Com, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchengodu. Today we discuss about the subject research methodology. In research methodology, what is mean by hypothesis? It is defined, it is a testable statement preceding a relationship between variables guiding research to confirm or refute the predictions. Here the users guidance research design provide focus and attention, facilitate data collections, then enable testing and validation, supports theory development, enhance predicted accuracy, aids in drawing conclusion, help identify relationship between the variables. These are the things we have to use in the hypothesis. Then next we discuss about formulating the hypothesis. There are 5 different topics. The first one is 5 different steps. The first topic is for define the research question, then identify the variables or review the literature, then determine the types of hypothesis, then write the hypothesis. These are the steps are formulated in the hypothesis. Then next we discuss about research design. First of all, we need what is mean by research design. It refers to the strategic and methods researchers employ to carry out the research and reach valid and reliable result. It is an overview for research or research design, outlines the steps and procedures to be followed to address the research questions or objectives effectively. The design determine the types and source of data, sampling strategy, the data collection method and statistical analysis. A well-defined designed research study ensures that the data collected are reliable, valid and capable to providing meaningful insight. Then the examples for design, experimental design, quasi-experimental design, descriptive design, correlational design, case study design, longitudinal design, cross-sectional design, then action research design, etc. The next we discuss about methods of data collection. Here the data collections are classified into 2 types. One is for primary, another one is for secondary. Here the primary in the sense direct or personal investigation, indirect oral investigation, then information from local sources, then information through questionnaires and schedules, or it will be classified into mailing methods or enumerators method. Then the same way, secondary data are collected on the basis of published sources. As the name indicates, secondary, it means already it will be published, we can refer. For government publication, it is a best example, or semi-government publication of trade association, journals and papers, international publication of research institutions, or unpublished sources. These are the things we can collect the data from secondary. Already we discussed in the primary, and the same way secondary also. Then next we discuss about sampling methods. It is a process of using a subset of a population to represent the whole population. To help illustrate that further, let's look at data sampling method with a few examples below. For types of sampling, here the types of samplings are classified into random sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, non-random sampling, capture, recapture. It will describe for random sampling, gathering a representative sample from a population where each member in the population has an equal chance of being selected. It is called random. For example, random number of generated to select the student in a class to complete the task. Then stratified sampling, smaller group within the sample are represented proportionally to the population. Finding out the favorite soap opera from the different age of category people in a year of groups. Then systematic sampling, it is a member in the population is given a number. After the first member is chosen at a random, the remaining members are chosen from a given interval. Then drawn random sampling. Convenient sampling is used for keys of data collection. Volunteers usually collect the data. Then capture, recapture, collecting a sample of data from one location at a different point in the time, marking the individual to estimate a population size. Thank you for watching this video.